and Gunpuku, Kronii's Discord kitten. Oh. Meow. Meow, meow. Hiss. Purr. Wait to you. Meow, meow. Purr. Mew. Meow. Storm. Meow. Hiss. Purr. Nuzzles you. Meow, meow. EP. Mew. Meow. Purr. Meow. I think that means, hey, listen up. That's the hissing part. You have to buy Way to You. Starts purring at the thought of Way to You. And then the thinking about Way to You makes him very happy. Especially when he talks about Storm too. And then if you don't, if you do, he'll be happy, but also sad. Upset at the same time. Hence why meow, hiss, purr. And then tries to like balance it out with a threat by nuzzling you. And then go buy the EP, meow meow EP. And then tries to end it on a positive note by saying mew, meow, and purr, then meow. So thank you. You are really embracing your little inner cat. Your Discord kitten role.